Hello ladies and gentlemen, back with the video of the driver's POV. This is the Volvo XC90 Inscription. It's the 2021. This is the T6. It does have the trunk button remote. Also sits 7 people. So you can see it's the white interior with the gray trim. Let's put the seats back. Where is it? Let's bring this up. As you can see, 7 people. As you can see, you also have the climate control for the back seats. You got ventilating in the back, and you also got the side shades, more ventilating here. Cup holders on both sides. Now let's get into it. You turn it on with this knob right here. You've got the automatic park, but in order to do it manually, you pretty much bring this up and it puts the car in park. Now with this vehicle, you do get cooled and heated seats and heated steering wheel, so you can tell the climate control on both sides. Control the climate control settings here. Now the whole experience has gotten a lot faster compared to the last years of this model. Pretty much open this here, get this out, and we do get all the features here. Let's look closely. As you can see, retail price is $67,425. And as you can tell, it is 2021. Now this car does come with the Harman Kardon sound system. It is the mid-level trim of the sound systems. You can upgrade to the Bowers & Wilkins. And let's go for a ride. Let's go like that. Now this car is a very, very comfortable ride. The turning radius is very short on turning. For this size car. Now you do get the front sensors and back sensors when you're getting close to an object, either reversing or pulling in. And you do have different driving modes. You have Eco, Comfort, and Dynamic. So now, right now we're in Comfort, and this is the most comfortable ride. Now you do have the electronic gauge cluster, and that has different settings. It will display either maps or the type of music that you're playing. Oh yeah. It also displays the speed limit of the road that you're at. Now for the different driving modes, click this right here. Just put it into dynamic. Now the dynamic mode does change up the stiffening of the suspension, and it also changes the throttle response. It does make it a tad bit faster. Dynamic mode. And sometimes you would think that a car this big can't move fast, but it actually can. I don't want to break any speed limits either, but now this car does have different driving settings. So it has the lane keep aid. It does also have blind spot monitoring on both sides. It does also have cruise control, and also has the semi-autopilot, which does get a little bit of control from the steering wheel. As long as you keep your hands on the steering wheel, it will keep you in the lane. It also keeps distance in between cars in front of you. Let's just set that up and to show you. So as you can see here, you just press up like that. Press up to close the distance, and if you do press the brake, it shuts off the system automatically. So let's just turn that on again, and by increasing the speed, you do just press this. So this side pretty much controls all the semi-autopilot and cruise control. Has another XC90. The Harman Kardon sound system in this car is very on point. You know, you could blast the volume in this car and not lose its quality while you're listening to music. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. Overall, for a family car, this is like top notch. This is a very luxurious car for a family. It carries 7 people. It stands out. You know, you're definitely making a statement. The viewing in this car is perfect. The visibility. You also got the sunroof in this car, and the sunroof does extend all the way back to the back passenger seats. You know, for the 2021 model, you're getting a faster system. You also get the charging pad here out to the side. Now for this 2021 model, you are getting a faster display. Everything is more intuitive.